Meet Leap, your new AI coding partner. Leap is an AI builder that helps you create full-stack applications from idea to deployment. Just describe your app in plain English. Leap turns your words into real working code. Unlike other AI tools that generate snippets, Leap builds your entire app front-end, back-end, and database. It understands how all the parts connect, so you don't have to piece things together. Leap saves you time by handling boilerplate and setup, letting you focus on creative problem solving. You're always in control, see every line of code, review, and make changes as you like. Leap isn't a no-code platform, it's a developer's tool that works with you, not for you. Beginners and pros alike benefit from Leap's speed and transparency. In this guide, we'll show you how to media step-by-step app guide displayed on laptop screen, developer following tutorial with code and instructions, sign up, write your first prompt, review Leap's code, and deploy your app. By the end, you'll see how Leap makes building full-stack apps faster and more transparent. No more guesswork, just a clear path from idea to deployment. Ready to see how Leap can change your workflow? Let's dive in and get started. First, let's see how easy it is to sign up and start building. With Leap, you're not just generating code, you're building smarter. Leap's approach means you can scale your projects with confidence. You get the speed of AI with the control of a professional developer. Leap is your partner for building, learning, and innovating. Let's begin the journey. Getting started with Leap is simple. Sign up using your GitHub account. Leap integrates directly to manage your code securely. Authorize Leap, and you're ready to start your first project. The main interface is focused on the prompt. Just describe your app idea in natural language. No technical jargon needed. Explain your vision as you would to a teammate. Be specific about features and user actions for best results. For example, build a blog app where users can create, read, update, and delete posts. Each post has a title and content. The homepage lists all posts. Hit build, and Leap's AI analyzes your prompt. It plans the back-end, database, and front-end. No need to pick frameworks or libraries. Leap uses modern best practices to set up a solid foundation. You can add more details later, but a clear prompt gets you started fast. With your prompt submitted, Leap begins building your app's architecture. The process is fast, secure, and designed for developers. You're ready to see your idea come to life in code. Let's see how Leap turns your prompt into a real application. Next, we'll explore how Leap builds your app from the ground up. Once you submit your prompt, Leap gets to work like an engineer. It designs your app's architecture, breaking your idea into logical parts. For a blog, Leap identifies posts, fields, and CRUD operations. It generates live, interactive diagrams, architecture, and database schemas, so you can visualize your project as it evolves. These diagrams update in real time as you refine your app. Next, Leap writes the code backend in Go with encore.ts, database migrations, and frontend in TypeScript and React. The code is clean, well-structured, and ready to run. Everything is integrated. Frontend calls backend APIs, backend connects to the database. You see the entire process: planning, diagrams, and code generation. Leap isn't a black box. You watch every step and learn as you go. This transparency builds trust and helps you understand full-stack development. You can review the logic behind Leap's decisions. It's a great way to learn best practices while building real projects. Now let's see how you review, test, and deploy your new app with Leap. With Leap, building complex apps becomes simple and visual. You're always in control every step of the way. Let's move on to reviewing and deploying your code. Leap doesn't merge code automatically, it gives you full control. Review proposed changes just like a GitHub pull request. Check every file, every line, and make sure it matches your vision. Want changes? Give feedback. Leap updates the code instantly. Iterate until your app is just right. Before merging, test your app in a safe preview environment. Leap spins up a temporary, isolated version of your app, front-end, back-end, and database. Interact with your app as a real user. Create, edit, and delete posts. Catch bugs early and ensure everything works before deploying. Once you're satisfied, accept the changes and push to GitHub. Deploying is simple. Leap and Encore handle cloud setup for you. With one command, launch your app to AWS, GCP, or other providers. No complex configuration, just a smooth path from code to cloud. Leap makes review, testing, and deployment fast and safe. Now let's see why Leap is a game changer for developers. Leap is built for developers who want speed and control. You own your code, stored in your GitHub, ready to modify or move anywhere. Leap accelerates your workflow without locking you in. Every change is reviewable, every feature testable in isolation. Live diagrams make complex systems easy to understand and extend. Preview environments let you experiment safely. Leap encourages best practices, code review, testing, and transparency. You see every plan, diagram, and line of code, no mysteries. It's a powerful learning tool and a productivity booster. Leap bridges the gap between idea and implementation. Build better, faster, and with more confidence. Try Leap and experience the future of app development. Your next project starts here.